Hi, it's Lauren here, the barista at Artisti Coffee Roasters. Today I'm going to be showing you how to pour out a latte art swan. I want a split shot in here, so I'm using a cup. Got our nice shot there. It's one of the jugs I brought from home. Really like this one with the colours and the swan on the side. It's got a really nice tip on it as well. Perfect for pouring out latte art. Let a few bubbles in there, bit of air. Then you want to be spinning your milk in a whirlpool. Hit out any bubbles, give it a spin, pour in, around, stop, pour in, bit of a wiggle, go up, down, up, and through. And there's your swan.